Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello and welcome back.
We got this box open, color and violet.
Yeah, we're gonna open up 9 packs.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good
everyone.
job.
And we're gonna save the packs. We're gonna open these ones first.
Yeah, this is 9 packs out of a brand new booster box. So we're just gonna open them up together, and we're gonna have lots of fun.
Yep.
Well, we're gonna struggle trying to open the packs.
Yeah, everyone, we tried to toggle, and I tried to open this pack, and I can't.
You can.
Maybe in the next pack I can do it, everyone.
Maybe next pack.
Yeah.
Let's see if Dad can do it.
Boom. Got it.
Show the code card, bud. Perfect. Okay.
Eddie code.
Energy, of course.
Pokeball.
Rotom. Palpad. And we got a youngster.
I saw some Sunny.
Flaffy.
I saw some
Blissey. Reverse Toadstool. Reverse Houndoom. And
I saw the Sunny.
Professor's
I
Research.
saw it on the phone and I saw some Sunny.
I know, it tricked you.
See?
Yeah. What? You got it open.
I got it in the pot and I saw it.
How did you get that open so easily? I struggle. You just ripped that one open like it was nothing.
And I saw a little thing in it, and I saw a hole, and I pulled a hole out.
Yeah. All right. Show the code card.
And so in time to it.
Wait. There we go. Get that in focus. Yeah. All right. Ready?
Code.
Energy, of course.
A doggy.
A doggy. Spupa. Meditite. Energy Search. A bird. Greedent. Crocodile. Reverse Greedent. Reverse Energy Search. And a Professor's Research. Again. Again.
Maybe next pack.
You think you can get this one open? No? Okay, here.
That time I whipped that other pack whipped open.
Oh, that one opened a little better. Perfect. And here we go.
And the ear code.
Energy, of course. An Energy Search.
A muck.
Grimer. Not a muck. We got a fish. A cactus. And Lucario. A rock chestplate. A reverse Palmy. And a reverse Snowball. What? What? Wow!
Can we show it to Hockey? Hockey.
Why do you want to show the dog?
I don't want to really nice.
You're silly. That is very nice.
Wow!
Gyarados EX. Wow.
Saw some Sunny.
Stunned.
I saw some Sunny and poof!
Yeah, look at that. Gyarados. That is gorgeous.
Whoa.
Whoa, is right.
40. What?
Let's see if we can get it back in working order. Okay, I think we're good. Okay,
Yeah.
Put that there. Our awesome pull right there. That is amazing. Okay, here. Give it to Dad. Dad'll get it. Maybe a...
A nice pull.
That was an awesome pull.
Oh, and the jacket, yeah.
We got a piece of the wrapper stuck to the code card.
Oh, we don't need to sew it.
Perfect.
Is it
It's
good?
okay. Just throw it out, bud. Throw it out.
What?
Watch out for
Throw.
the camera. All right, here we go. An energy, of course. Bird, Zangoose, Frogunk, Dedenne, Miriam, Lucario, Rock Chestplate, Reverse Smoliv, Reverse Flub. What? Another full art. Wow.
Yeah.
Woo! That is awesome.
Wow. We got 2 balls. Can I show a doggy too? Again. Hockey.
Okay, let's get that into a sleeve.
Wow, we got a nice ball again.
Yeah, look at that.
And we
Maridon EX.
pull out this one off and boof.
That is amazing. Look at that. That is awesome. We are on a roll here. Oh, you got that pack open? Good job, bud. Wait. I don't know if that got on camera. There we go. All right, here we go.
Of course.
Energy, of course. Well, we got Palmy, Smoliv, a Worm, Katie, a Staraptor, Electric Generator, Scovillain, Pachirisu, and just a hollow Slowbro. Wow. Wow. That is awesome.
Hockey. Whoa, what?
All right. Wow. 3 hits. That is awesome, bud. We're doing so good. Look at that. So cute. Look at them together. So adorable. Aww.
Not together with you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that one opened up good. I wish they all opened like that. Code card. Perfect. Okay.
Eddie. I saw something sunny.
Energy, of course. Magnemite.
Eddie
Energy
is short.
Switch. Varoom.
Wow.
Clauncher. Scovillain. Torkoal. A Breloom. Reverse Fido. Reverse Jacques. And a Skeletor.
Wow.
That's okay. That's okay because we got 3 nice pulls. Oh, look at that. That opened up good too. Oh, wait. Don't be taking the cards. Just a gold card. Perfect. All right. Here we go. What else can we get?
Eddie card.
Energy, of course. Curlia. Switch. Fuecoco. Tropius. What? I couldn't even read that. Team Star Grunt. Zangoose. Reverse Houndour. Reverse Primeape. And Hollow Armarouge. All right.
One more pack.
Yeah, we got 2 more packs left to open.
No, one more pack.
Well, and this one. This one counts too, bud. Is that only... See, look, you're taking cards. You're trying to steal them. Perfect. All right, here we go.
Eddie card.
Energy, of course.
Doggy.
Spupa. Metatite.
More wormy.
More worms. Judge. A Floatzel. Reverse. And a hollow. Okie dokie. Oh, you want to give it to Dad? Okay. Code card. Oh. Perfect. And
Can we do one more pack
off we
after
go.
this?
Energy, of course.
Vehicle.
A boozle, energy
Retrieval.
retrieval, Lechunk, Slowpoke,
Poke.
Worms, Judge, and something swimming, a doggy. Oh, Iron Treads! What in the last pack? Talk about last pack magic. Whoa, let's get that into a sleeve. Ooh, this was amazing.
One more pack.
No. Okay, look at that.
Wow.
Iron Treads. That looks amazing.
Yes.
Wow. We got 4 pulls. Wow, let's go over them. Pachirisu.
Uh-huh.
And we got a full art Miraidon.
We got a
And a full
Gyarados.
art Gyarados. And we got Iron Treads.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah. So nice.
Okay, wow.
Oh, you bumped the camera.
Yep, the camera. All right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed as much as we did. And thank you for watching. Right, bud?
Uh-huh.
And we will see you next time.
Bye. See you tomorrow. We love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.